Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to discuss some programs in Java language. So the program is to convert the temperature given in degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and vice versa. So now I'm going to open BlueJ. Here is a BlueJ icon on the desktop. BlueJ window is open. Firstly, I'm going to create project menu, new project. Here you can give the name of the project. I'm giving temperature. Then create. A new project is created. Here we have to create a new class. Go to the new class icon on the left side of the window. In this box, give the name of the class. Click on OK. A new class is created. Now for doing work, double click on this class icon. Delete the instructions. Now start the program. Student, firstly I am going to do the program to convert the temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So here I am going to write public class Celsius. Now curly braces will start here. Then public static void and main. In void main we will write string args. S will be capital of string args. Means any type of arguments or parameter we can enter here in this bracket. Now again we will start the curly braces. Now students, for converting the temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, the formula is F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. Means we want two types of variable. One is for Fahrenheit and one is for Celsius. Now I'm going to declare the variables. Firstly is for Fahrenheit. Like the value of F of Fahrenheit is any value you can write, like I'm writing 40. Student, one more thing, that while converting the temperature, you have to take a data type double. Because this temperature can come in decimal value also. So here I am taking double F equal to 40.0 semicolon, enter. Now we'll apply the formula for Celsius, that is C is equal to, in a bracket we will write F minus 32 into 5 upon 9 semicolon. Now we will write the display part of the program, that is system.out.println. Students, as you know, this line we write for the output of the program. Without this line, your output will not display on the computer screen. In a bracket, I am writing Celsius. And here we will write the variable which is storing the output value. Then close the bracket, semicolon, enter. Do the curly braces. And now after completing the program, we will compile it. No syntax error. This message has come. Now we will run our program. Minimize the window. Right click on your particular class icon. Then void main. Then click on OK. Now students, you can see our output has come on the screen. So this is the answer of the program in which we have converted degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Now next program which we are going to do is to convert temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. And the formula is C into 9. Here C is value of Celsius upon 5 plus 32. Now let's start the program. Public class, I am giving Fahrenheit. FAR I am writing in short form. Now public static void main string args, then square bracket. Now we are going to start the program. Again, here also we need to initialize two variables. Semicolon. Now double next Fahrenheit variable for applying the formula. Like the formula is bracket Celsius into 9 bracket close upon 5 whole bracket will come over here, then at the end plus 32. Now we will apply system dot out dot println, then Fahrenheit is, now the value where we are going to store, that is FAH. This variable is storing the output of the Fahrenheit formula. Then close the bracket, semicolon, at the end put two curly braces. Now the last process is, after completing the program, to compile it. Here I am going to compile it. The message has come that no syntax error. Now run the program, right click on your particular class, void main, then OK. And the answer is of degree Fahrenheit is 122.0, because we have taken double data type, and double data type always store the decimal values and it gives the output in decimal form only. Students, hope you have understood these programs. Revise this program and do the practice practically for the better understanding. Thank you.